Okay, today it's gonna be short and sweet video for you guys. If you notice, you see how the separation is? I did this on purpose so I can actually show you that you can make your dressing look really nice. Like your homemade dressing look like it's a store-bought. If you noticed, this is just few days and the separation's still there. This is few days and it's not separating. I had some sorry, I had some of those. I should have kept it, but it was so good that I had to have some. This is just regular Italian dressing. Just olive oil and then a little bit of water, vinegar, and then whatever the spices you want. In my case, we put in Italian spices, and it comes something like this here. This is just garlic and herb. Oh, sorry, I'm out of camera right there. And that's it. I mean, it just... And then salt, that's depend on you, of course, but I will list a little recipe for Italian dressing. I made 1 cup total, and obviously I had some because it tastes so good, but here's the secret, okay? I'm gonna stir it up so I can show you what I'm talking about. See how it looks kind of separate still, even though I stir it up? Now watch this one. And that's why I told you I had some because it looks so good. You see the difference on that? That's it. And they're both identical, but look at the difference on there. They're both identical. They're both the same thing. I put everything the same way. Spices and everything the same way, but look what happened. You want to know what the difference on that? It's called Xanthan Gum. And I'll list a picture right now for you. That's what they look like. Okay? And all I did was put in, my grandmother put them in here now. She have this little jar here that, she get them from, oh sorry, same company. And they call Xanthan Gum. That's it. And that's what makes it liquid. Okay, now since we know the difference on it, look at that. One more time, okay? Look, it's still separated. See it? It's still separated. Now I'm gonna show you the good one. All the difference on that, it's just Xanthan Gum. See it? That's the only difference on there. And it somehow adhere to olive oil. And I also learned that if you make dressing, use olive oil. Other oil doesn't mix too good. And yes, and also too, look at that. That's olive oil too. And it still don't mix too good. See it? So it's still separating. It's because it doesn't have Xanthan Gum on it. And I'm going to leave a picture here one more time for you. Okay? That's what you need. And you're going to have to experiment on your own how you like it. I put in about half a teaspoon in there. And it becomes really thick. See? And it does not separate. It takes about... To believe it or not, between this and this, I left it out experimenting 4 days. And that was a 4-day span. And look, they still come back to where they are again once you mix it. That's it. So this is for the people who do their DIY dressing. That's the secret to that, okay? All you have to do is put xanthan gum in there, and it will make it look like it's a store-bought or whatever it is. See? Or the nice, thick kind that people like to put on their dressing. See? That's all you really need. And like I said, it was for 16 ounce. I use half a teaspoon and it come out that nice. I don't know, you can probably put more or less or whatever you want. Some people don't like it though. Don't like xanthan gum, but to make it thick and the consistency that a lot of people likes, all you have to do is put xanthan gum in there, and that's it. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on the video. I hope that this will help someone out there to make their own dressing. The secret to that is just xanthan gum. That's it. And put whatever you like. Like I said, like, you know, your spices. Put whatever you like. The measurement though for the oil and water and vinegar stays the same. Okay, I'll leave a little secret, my secret recipe in the description for you, and then you can follow that. But for the xanthan gum, you have to experiment that on your own. You have to see what the thickness you like. Like I said before, some people are opposed to that. They don't like to mix too much xanthan gum. But that's up to you on that, okay? Other than that, that's about it. And I will see you in the next video, okay?